Welcome to the brand new tutorial of Next.js 15. So it has not only Next.js 15, it has the Typescript RTKquery. So along with the course, we will create a simple app by Next.js 15, Typescript and RTKquery. So this is the admin. We have the social login. We can create categories. Say I am creating cars collection over here and it's updating instantly. You see cars collection. We can delete also and it's updating. So it's a exciting journey. So we have the text, so we can create text, say Samsung. So it should be under electronic. Okay, so we can create Samsung. Okay, and we can add products. We have products, so we can update, delete. It's a CRUD operation, like update, delete, create and everything. So orders, product. So we have categories. We can update, delete. We can cancel once collection. We can cancel books. We can update also. Let's see, books update. So I'm updating it. I'm removing the update words. So it's updated. It's okay. So we can create the product. We have delete or edit the product. So it has the updated. I'm removing it. Update product. So it has been updated. So no update word is there. So this will be exciting journey. So what the technology we have used? We have used Tailwind CSS, Next.js 14, TypeScript, and RTKquery. So it is done by Next.js 14, but don't worry, as Next.js 15 is not stable, it's release candidate. So whenever it is up and running, I will create the course on second by Next.js 15 or upgrade it Next.js 15. So Next.js 15 is still release candidate. They are not stable yet. So it's coming with several exciting features like React with React compiler, and it's coming with caching, partial pre-rendering, next after experimental, next create next app, bundling, external packages. Okay, so it will be an exciting journey. And first of all, we need to know why Next.js. We need Next.js. So Next.js. So in this course, we will cover Next.js 15 and Next.js 14. So what is Next.js? Why, when it is worth using Next.js? So there are specific scenarios where choosing Next.js over plain React might be advantageous. If your application needs to render content on the server side, better performance, SEO, or faster initial page load time, Next.js offers built-in support for server-side rendering and static site generation. This is particularly useful for content-heavy website, blogs, e-commerce platforms where SEO is crucial. Next.js can help improve performance of your application by pre-rendering pages at build times or on the server side, reducing the amount of JavaScript that needs to be downloaded and executed by the client. This can lead to faster load times and a better user experience, especially on slower devices or networks. Next.js comes with many built-in features such as automatic code splitting, CSS and SAS supports, API routes, and more. If you need these features in your application and prefer not to set them manually, Next.js can save you time and effort. So in some cases, Next.js is not better option where React is needed. So if your application is microservice or backend heavy application, you should not use Next.js. It has several regions and real-time application, highly customized user interface. So while large project should not go with Next.js is because Next.js is primarily focused on building front-end applications. So if your project involves heavy backend logics, microservice architecture, or complex server-side processing, you might be better off with frameworks or libraries designed specifically for backend development, such as Express.js, Next.js, or Spring Boot. So in this scenario, you should not use Next.js, but Next.js have several built-in features You need not worry to code manually for that. So Next.js provides a file-based routing system, which we do by in React by React Router DOM, making it easier to manage routing configuration compared to React, where you might need use additional libraries like React Router. If your application has complex routing requirements, Next.js can simplify the process and reduce the amount of boilerplate code. Let's consider how React align with Next.js features. It has the server-side rendering. It has the static site generation. It has automatic code splitting. Okay, it has the routing, built-in routing. No need to do it manually. API routes, built-in CSS and SaaS products. In summary, while React provides the foundation for building user interface, Next.js extends React capabilities by offering features such as server-side rendering, static site generation, automatic code splitting, routing API routes, and built-in CSS and SaaS support. These features enhance React development, making it easier to build high-performance, SEO-friendly, and maintainable web application. And along with that, we will discuss these topics: project structure, routing, nested routes, dynamic routes, nested dynamic routes, not found page, file collection, private folders, route groups, layout, nested layouts, route group layout, everything, and along with Next.js 15 features. And when Next.js 15 will be stable, we'll create this mini app by the Next.js 15, and it has the social logging. You see, if we log out, we can go for social logging like GitHub. So it is done by the login is done by GitHub. So it has the authentication by the middleware. So it will be an exciting journey. So stay tuned, stay connected, like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon. Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to install the Next.js 15. But first of all, we will create Next.js 14, then we'll upgrade it. Okay, then we'll get the Next.js 15. Okay, so let's dive into the deep. So I have a folder already for Next.js 15. So I am creating Next.js 15 with Typescript. Okay. So initially I will create with Tailwind Next.js 15 TypeScript everything. Then I will upgrade. Okay. So it's downloading. Yes, I want a Tailwind. Yes. Source directory, app router. Yes. Alias. Yes. Yes. So it will take a little bit of time. You need to wait for that. So upon completion, we will upgrade it. And before that, we'll initialize the Tailwind CSS. So we'll use Tailwind CSS and we'll create this app by Next.js 15. Tailwind, TypeScript, and RTKquery. Yeah, done. So I need to navigate, then follow the instruction, or they are saying cd my project. Or say this is my project, maybe my project. So I am renaming it. Wrongfully, I have not changed the name, no problem. Next.js 15 YouTube. Okay, done. So Nextjs 50 YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to the code. Okay, I'm going to the code once again. I have two windows, no problem. It's opening two windows. Why? Wrong. Okay, now again I am opening the window. Okay, now it's time one. Okay, so this is our initial configuration, and let's see, it's React 18 and Next.js 14. So we will upgrade it. Before that, I am initializing the Tailwind CSS. Okay, go to the terminal, initialize Tailwind CSS. And in Tailwind config, use this portion. Okay, so I'm not doing anything from my own route. What is given over here, I'm doing that, and we need that in the global CSS. Global, it has already is it the same? Base components, yeah, it's same. Okay, no problem. Okay, then what we need to do, npm run dev. Npm run dev. Let's see. Yeah, so everything is all right. Okay, so we can do it in the Chrome browser also, no problem. So Tailwind is working. Let's check whether Tailwind is working or not by this line as it is prescribed. So go here and remove all the unnecessary things, and I am giving text rate 600. Yeah, it's working. It has the underline text rate. Okay, so now let's what we have gotten. We got React 18, Next 14. Okay, and React DOM 18. So I'm taking the screenshot whether to ascertain whether it has been upgraded or not. So let's upgrade it. I am upgrading by yarn. You see, this is RC release candidate, React DOM release candidate, React 18. Okay, so upgrade it. So here is the upgradation guide. Upgrade from 14 to 15. Okay. It will take also a little bit of time. Then I think it will upgrade and will work properly. So it's upgrading. So I'm coming back after upgrade. it will take a little bit of time. So I'm pausing the video and coming back. So upgrading is done. You see previously we have I can show you the screenshot. We had next 14, now it's next 15. It had React 18, now it's React 19 and React DOM 19. So everything has been upgraded. Now go to the npm run dev. Let's see whether it's working everything as usual or not. I think everything is done. Let's reload the page. Yeah. So if I wanna create another line to see whether it is working properly or not. Give it a little bit of class name. Text 5 Excel text rate. Let's see. Yeah, my name is Shakti. So installation is done and we are getting our expected versions. So from the next tutorial, we will dive into the deep of Next.js 15 and everything I mentioned in the previous video. Okay, routing, nested routes, file-based routing, API routes, and everything. Okay, and along with that, we will save our data to the MongoDB. Okay, so it will be a wonderful journey. Stay tuned, stay connected. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon. Hello, welcome back. Now we will discuss about the file and folder structure, and along with that we'll create some routes and page. This is the file based routing, and after that we will see some unique features as we have the role based redirect, and if the user is not admin, is not entertained to visit some page, so we have user and admin, different routes for user and admin. Okay, so this is the initial folder structure. So this is the page.js. This is the it comes by default, and this is page.tsx, and it is the home page, acting as a home page. You see previously we have done. So this is the file based routing. So if I create a new route over here, say about, I want to create a about page, and this is the convention. After creating folder, you have to give page.tsx. So this is about so this is about page. So we did nothing manually, we did nothing, we just create a folder or file, this file based routings. So if I go over here, if I write about, you see this is about page, and if no file excuse me, if no file is found, say contact, it will give 404 page not found. Okay, so we can customize it also. So this is the file based routing. So we have created a route by simply creating a page. So, and we can create a nested route also. See, we want to create a nested route. Say I'm giving it nested. This is the nested route, and this is the convention. After folder, you have to give page.tsx. So So as we are creating a new exciting project, so we will cover most of the things from this project. This is nested routes. Okay, so if we go over here, say about and nested, this is nested routes. So it's working. So we have seen the folder structure, the routes, simple routes and nested routes. So in the next tutorial, I will show you the role-based routing. Okay, the feature which we are going to make, the role-based routing. If the user is not admin, you will not entertain to visit certain page. This is the exciting feature of Next.js to protect the routes. So we need to create middleware and we need to protect the API routes. Okay, and we have to create the next auth. By next auth, we have to protect our routes. So let's go that, and before that we have seen the routes and nested routes. So this is the home page and this is page about, and this is nested routes, nested. Okay, see you soon.